This is the head of the vacuum cleaner. This one cannot be washed, but only the filter. So I must press this one, this side, so I can remove this one. It's very easy. Just this, there's a button here that need to press. And then remove it. This one cannot be washed. Only the filter. This is the filter inside. This one is very dusty too because most of the time I'm using it. This one must be washed. And also this one inside. This one need to remove. Can wash also this one. Okay. Need to start washing. Okay, clean. See you next time.